Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have credentials and server details. Now begin. Open Outlook and choose Add Account, then enter your company email address. When prompted, enter the provided password and select Exchange or a map depending on your IT instructions. If a multi-factor prompt appears, approve on your device. This secures access. Once done, make sure to grant permissions for calendar and contacts so synchronization can proceed. You're starting the sync. Outlook will contact the server and begin downloading headers and folders immediately. Once Outlook connects, fine-tune synchronization. Open account settings and check send/receive groups. Set frequency to 15 or 30 minutes for a balance of timeliness and battery life. Next, map server folders so sent and drafts align with the company server. This prevents duplicates. Make sure the correct account is default for sending. Then create a professional signature and enable or disable focused inbox according to your workflow. These steps ensure consistent delivery, visible archives, and predictable behavior across devices. Now finish by sending a test email to a colleague and confirming receipt. Check that calendar invites and attachments sync properly. Then add the account on your mobile Outlook app, enabling push sync so you get real-time updates. If you encounter problems, like missing mail or send failures, first restart Outlook and clear the offline cache. This often resolves index conflicts. If that fails, remove and re-add the account or contact IT with error codes. This final verification makes sure email, calendar, and contacts all behave as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.